how to make your Android phone charge faster. Hello everyone, this is Lucy. Let's get to the video without any delay. First, try enabling your flight mode and turning off your location everything to charge your phone. This will enable your charge to increase while not using any background apps. So next is to avoid using your phone while charging. So if you use your phone while charging, then it will use much more power than usual. So it's always better not to use your phone while charging. So the next method is to use wall outlet. Use a proper wall outlet in order to charge your phone. Next is to use the charger provided in the box when you bought your phone. The smartphone companies always send you phones with suitable chargers. You can always use those instead of other chargers. And the last thing you can do is keep your phone away from direct sunlight. Don't let your mobile phone to be heated with the sunlight. And these are a few steps you can do in order to make your phone charge faster. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.